Grand rising, beautiful soul. You've just awakened and already you are magnetic. There is power in your presence, even in stillness. You are not here to chase. You are here to attract. And everything aligned with your highest self is already on its way. Today, you walk with unshakable confidence. Today, you remember who you are. You are soft and strong. You are graceful and grounded. You are divine, radiant, and utterly unforgettable. You don't need to prove your worth. Your existence proves it. Your energy speaks before you do. Your presence shifts rooms. Your light is undeniable. You are magnetic simply by being you. You wake up glowing, not just in your skin, but in your spirit. Your voice carries certainty. Your laughter is medicine. Your silence is sacred. You embody feminine power in motion, effortless and electric. You are the woman who knows what she wants. You don't beg, you believe. You don't settle, you select. You don't force, you flow. You magnetize the right people, the right opportunities, the right energy. And anything that isn't aligned with your worth, it simply fades away, effortlessly, painlessly, peacefully. You are no longer available for anything that drains you. You are only available for what delights you, expands you, and honors you. You don't chase validation, you embody value. You don't react, you respond with wisdom. You don't shrink, you rise. Your self-love is untouchable. Your boundaries are sacred. Your heart is open but protected by wisdom. You are not afraid to be seen, to be heard, to take up space. You are not afraid to shine. In fact, you were born to. Every cell in your body believes in your brilliance. Your beauty is not just in how you look. It's in how you love, how you walk, how you exist. You are the woman who inspires others to rise. You are the muse, the masterpiece, the movement. So today, you show up for yourself fully. You speak kindly to your reflection. You move like the goddess you are. You radiate from within. You own your desires. You trust your timing. You embody your worth, and the world responds because you are not just magnetic by chance. You are magnetic by nature. And today, you let that energy lead the way. This is your day, your moment, your power. Now go and be the woman that you already are.